This is Cytopoint by Leilani Emerson on 0104222. Cytopoint, it's a drug name called Leviathan. The Leviathan is a generic name. It's a mitochondrial type of protein that recognizes and attaches to leucorin 31 that can trigger dermatitis, so like the thing that makes it itchy. What is it used for? Cytopoint is used in dogs when their environment are exposed to an addition called atopic dermatitis. Dermatitis is inflammation of the skin linked to an allergy or other things in the environment. Once a dog's skin becomes damaged by scratching and rubbing, secondary bacterial and yeast infections can develop. Cytopoint is a biological therapy, a type of non-drug treatment that works in the dog's immune system. Cytopoint contains engineered antibodies very similar to the dog's structure. The antibodies are designed to target one of the main proteins that causes itchiness and redness. Is this a class of drug? It is not a class of drugs. It's a non-drug treatment. Cytopoint is an injection under the dog's skin like a vaccination. It's an IM injection, usually given in the back of the leg or the scruff of the neck. It is available in 10, 20, or 30, 40 milligrams. Why is it given? The doctor must administer, how is it given? The doctor must administer the shot at a minimum dose of 0.9. After the injection, the itch is usually reduced in a few days and the effects last 4 to 8 weeks. The injection can then be given again if needed. Cytopoint is an antibody protein. It's naturally broken down and recycled by the body. Why is it needed? Unfortunately, dogs do not outgrow allergies and are typically lifelong problems. We can almost keep the dog comfortable with treatment. Oops, I went too far. Some dogs have more problems with itchiness in particular season of the year. Doctors may be able to be given during the bad or itchy season. This drug with other drugs. Nowhere I showed this drug had a therapeutic range because I don't believe it's a drug. I think it's just like more proteins to stop the itchiness. Can other medications be used? Yes, and they're encouraged because you have to fight the infection long term and throughout the dog's life. We suggest using Cytopoint with other drugs. Field studies. In a field study involving dogs with atopic dermatitis, 142 received Cytopoint monthly for 3 months, while 132 were treated with Colisporin. After 28 days, the Pruritus score was reduced by 52%. Given Cytopoint and 44% in Colisporin. Over the 3-month study, printout went down from the value of 74 and start to 26, and the end in the dog is given Cytopoint. Is Cytopoint safe? Sometimes it's not always safe. Some vets won't prescribe it because they think it can kill your dog. Cytopoint can cause a secondary illness because it blocks the messaging process in the body, important for regulating many different processes, and then you can't really catch it. But yes, Cytopoint is toxic, but it's really rare, so I would just proceed with caution. Here's some before and after photos of dogs that are not itchy anymore. And this is my works cited page.